What is this road sign? The answer is A, stop sign. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is C, yield sign. Which road sign is this? The answer is A, do not enter. What is this traffic sign? The answer is A, no parking. Which road sign is this? The answer is B, pedestrian crossing. Guess this road sign. The answer is B, no stopping. Can you identify this traffic sign? The answer is C, no right turn. What does this road sign mean? The answer is A, school zone. Guess this road sign. The answer is B, no U-turn. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is B, traffic lights ahead. What is this road sign? The answer is C, no left turn. What is this road sign? The answer is C, winding road. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is A, slippery when wet. Can you identify this road sign? The answer is A, railway crossing, crossbuck. Identify this road sign. The answer is A, stop sign ahead. Identify this road sign. The answer is B, divided highway ends. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is A, wrong way. Can you identify this road sign? The answer is C, one way. What does this traffic sign mean? The answer is A, speed limit sign. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is A, steep hill / downgrade. Can you identify this road sign? The answer is A, two-way traffic. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is B, railroad crossing ahead. Name this road sign. The answer is A, roundabout. Identify this road sign. The answer is C, divided highway begins. What is this road sign? The answer is C, yield sign ahead. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is A, roadworks. What is this traffic sign? The answer is B, truck route. Guess this road sign. The answer is C, deer crossing. Which road sign is this? The answer is C, flagger ahead. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C, left turn ahead. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more road sign quizzes, guides and tests to prepare yourself before test day. Check out these videos on your screen to keep boosting your chances of succeeding. Keep practicing and we will be here to help you prepare.